Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, we'll want to open up the standalone contacts app, which should be located in the Google folder, but it looks like it might not be the case here, so let's go. There we go, there's contacts. So once you open it up, you want to go to the three bars right there and then manage contacts, where we should find the import or export contacts option. There we go. And now obviously let's select import. And we want to import them from, well, obviously SIM card, at least in my case. And you should see all the contacts on here. So let's select. We can do all of them at once by tapping there, or simply just tapping on the contact itself and then click on done. Import them to. From here, select where you want to, well, basically import them. So we have the option of phone and then also Google account. Now this option, the second Google account, will only appear if you are actually logged into your Google on the phone. If you're not, then, well, this won't be visible at all and phone will be the only option. I'm gonna select phone anyway and then select import. 4 contacts imported, cool, okay. And basically we're done. So they should now be all visible in here. And that is how you would import your contacts. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.